It's 8:15. Things are starting to come together. Almost there. It's warming up a bit. It's been bloody cold actually. It's a campsite. Oh, I've got a double G in this bloody thing. Filming you, filming me, mate. Great little campsite this was. Might let me tent down. Trips up the back up. Well, there's a fair way to go, really. See a long way from here. 45 k's from Poeppel Corner. Crossing a bit of a salt lake here. Simpson Desert track. Getting into third. Divots here. It's track on one way. Left, right, wrong. Big Al in his Ford Ranger. Well, what happened? What happened?
Oh no, I won't say it.
Yeah, come on. Darius is telling dirty jokes again. We pulled up at a sign somewhere. Oh, here it is. Apradina Atura Knolls, WA 34. Rig Road 41, Arabina Track. There's a crow. Well, what you do?
We're here at a crossroads. We just stopped for a break. Simpson Desert, what a place.
My surname's Smart. People call me Smarty. Anyway, I picked up this young lady with me, so I'll just give her a lift. She's some crazy woman walking from Dalhousie Springs to bloody Birdsville.
Oh, Big Red was stopping just to be sure.
Well,
not totally
not
crazy.
Big Red, but like they left Dalhousie Springs on the 3rd of June, and we left Perth on the 3rd of June. Anyway, we're just giving her a bit of a cheek because her mate's up here and walking along. Just wind your window just to say hello.
That's down.
Just say, oh yeah, she's good. Alright, there you go.
Yoo-hoo!
How good's this?
Fun.
Yeah, absolutely. We're having fun. What's your name?
Deb.
Deb. Hey, Deb.
Yeah, I'm from Albury.
Aubrey. I think I went through there once when I drove from Sydney down to Melbourne.
Yeah.
That was about 3 o'clock in the morning though. We're off to Birdsville. You guys have walked from Dalhousie Springs? Man, I've never heard of that before, but it's crazy. We met some Korean bikers. We met some crazy bikers, some Korean bikers that were riding from Leonora through to Kuvapiti on the Ambadell. And they were towing shit behind their push bike, right? They had a trailer, a wheelbarrow behind their push bike. We thought they were crazy, but you guys are just as crazy as them. Where are you all from?
All over.
Yeah.
Adelaide.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. There you go. Well, apparently there's a whole group of them. This is only the last end of them, but there's people ahead walking this track they've been walking for weeks. Yeah. And make sure you get some of that beef jerky. It's pretty good. Well, we saw tracks on the track, and it wasn't a dog, and then it looked like footprints. We thought something got out of their car, but then we found out it was that group of people. There's more ahead because there's still more tracks on the track. 18, was it? 18 people walking this track. They've been on since, I think, going 10 days now. They're halfway through, mate. Yeah, oh, then it's going Big Red, apparently. Well done. Keep up the good work. Down, mate.
We came from that way. We headed that way, but had a bit of an issue. Bruce's
Well, we're stopped because Bruce's vehicle's had a bit of a failure. And snapped the bolt right off. It's been wearing it down a bit. What's going on?
I just need a black texture. Slight modification happening already. Yeah, you want to pack all this with grease, okay?
What is that, a socket or something? No. What is that you put in there?
No, it's a sleeve.
It's a sleeve.
It's not.
Oh, yeah?
It'll do the job. It'll do this trick.
Yeah.
And you set the bolt, we're going in the middle. What I'm going to get him to do is pack that with grease.
Yeah.
That way there's a little bit of, reduce the friction. Actually, bring it out here, Stubby. No, Stubby, yeah, give it here. No, give it here because then we
I've
can
got to
measure.
measure. I've got to measure.
We've got to.
I've got it right here.
Fucking mechanics here, I can tell.
We
get a vice, we get a vice.
No drop side, no drop side. I just said, buddy.
Got a toolkit here. So you're going to get it working, you reckon?
Yep.
There we go. Speed queen of the desert. Walking away from Darius to Birdsville. Hiya.
Hi everyone. Hi.
Having a great day?
A wonderful time, thank you.
Excellent.
The best things I've done.
Excellent.
See you all later.
Safe travels. She goes over the top of the sand hill. So she's passed us four four-wheel drives walking the track.
So we've got it all fixed, have we?
Yep.
Let's have a look at the final. Oh yeah, almost looked like a walk one, mate.
Paid a lot of money.
Yeah.
A lot of scabbing for all
It
those
has got a
bikes.
grease nipple on it though. It won't be any good. Oh, you grease it up.
You put a sleeve in it.
So just don't go bouncing over fucking shit too fast, mate.
No,
You're a fucking maniac.
We were going slow. We moved off the road for those people that wouldn't move.
Yeah. Probably broke somewhere. It was starting to fracture and then it just gave way. There's a hair. Walk the Simpson there. Sounds like about a 2-week journey. 2 weeks. seems. It's a few kilometres back down that way. Watch out. 5 k's to go to Poeppel Corner. Out of South Australia into either Queensland or Northern Territory. Not sure. This is Poeppel's Corner. Corner of 3 states. It's just a lake out in the middle of frickin' nowhere. This looks like a good spot to be. There's quite a few vehicles here at Poeppel's Corner. There we go. It's got mine there as well. Here they are. Look at them. 3 states in 2 seconds. Watch this, mate.
Oh, there's a madman.
I've done it.
Yeah, bloody mad. Navigator.
See, 3 states in 2 seconds.
Hang on.
Filming it. Keep going.
Keep going. Go round. Hey! There's another mad bastard. Christ.
Bloody feet. We done it. He's giving a bit of a hug. He's got his chin. South Australia and his
Queensland, Northern Territory.
bargain. Well, we made it here. Bruce's bloody repairs on his vehicle seem to work. Anyway, Northern Territory. This is, and there's another one there, Queensland. So that's on that post there as well. That must be the old post.
Okay, so we're in the Northern Territory right here. Walking around the corner. We're now in Queensland. Jesus, drop. From there, go around the corner again in South Australia. How's that, eh?
Well, we're just after Poeppel's Corner, and that's the end of the French line, I think. Yeah, 60 k's from Birdsville. Somewhere that way. Reached the turn-off to the Simpson Desert, or out of the Simpson Desert, I think, or nearly out of it. Hay River that way. I'm going to go that way to Birdsville. I think the dunes are getting a bit bigger. Bit of a winding track going up here over this dune.
Our camp tonight. It's Monday. Decided to camp here tonight. Little spot for the Simpson Desert track. Head towards Birdsville.
Turn down low.
And I know they're over foot. They've got about 22.5
Oh, fucking
and
hell,
I've got
that's
over,
really
I've got
nice.
about a half tank left. So I've got.
So I reckon,
Mate, I've got.
We'll get the bull here at least.